Today we're going to go through a quick video on how to remove these surface level scratches. Surface level means that they do not go into the clear coat. If your fingernail can get caught in the scratch, that means that it's below the surface level. It means that it's in the clear coat and not as easily removed, if it's even able to be removed. To start with, we're going to clay bar the area that we're working with to remove any debris or contaminants on the surface. This is where I actually learned that the majority of this scratch was actually plastic transfer, likely from a shopping cart at Walmart. You can tell this by the white residue that you see being smeared around my bumper. That's actually little bits of plastic that the clay bar removed. After you've clay barred the area, go ahead and grab your polisher and polish of choice. I'm using the Milwaukee M18 dual action polisher with Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, though this can also be done by hand. If using a dual action polisher, you want to use only 4 or 5 small dime-sized dollops of polish per 2 foot by 2 foot section of panel. Gently press your polisher against the panel and spread the polish around a bit before turning your polisher on at its lowest setting. This minimizes the chances of the product slinging around on you and creating a mess. After you've worked your polisher up to the recommended speed for the polish you're using, which in my case is max speed or 5100 RPMs on this one, work the product over the whole area with slow, overlapping passes. You'll want to use medium pressure, but not so much pressure that the buffer stalls out. If it stalls out, you're applying too much pressure. The pad that I'm using, the Your Fiber pads, are wonderful as their cutting ability is dependent on the polish being used and the technique being used as well. So if you are using a more aggressive polish, it'll cut more, or if you're using heavier pressure, it'll also cut more, and vice versa for lighter polishes and pressure. You may have to do more than one pass with your polisher depending on how deep the scratches are, but once you're done, go ahead and wipe away the product and inspect your work. For small scratches like the one we had here, they should effortlessly come out and leave your paint looking beautiful again. Top it off with your wax or sealant of choice and go about your day. And that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. And before the video closes out, a quick shout out to our channel members. Dobby Lapoos, Sebastian YT,